This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make praline at home. To begin, gather all your ingredients. You will need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of pecan halves, and about 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This will be crucial for the next steps. Now, let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Place the pan over medium heat and stir constantly until the sugar dissolves. Continue cooking, stirring occasionally, until the mixture reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. It should become a beautiful, thick caramel color. Once your mixture hits 240 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat. This is a critical moment. Quickly stir in your 1 cup of pecan halves and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You need to work swiftly here, as the mixture will begin to thicken and set very quickly. Ensure the pecans are evenly coated before moving to the next step. Now for the final touch. Using a tablespoon or a small scoop, quickly drop spoonfuls of the warm praline mixture onto your prepared parchment paper. Form them into desired shapes and sizes. Let the pralines cool completely for at least 30 minutes or until they are firm. Once cooled, store your delicious homemade pralines in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. Enjoy your sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.